Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is SignalR Applicability to the messaging patterns required by capital markets applications. Our guest speakers today are Manoj Mittal, Senior Microsoft Technology Specialist, Sapient Global Markets, and Manish Agarwal, Director Technology, Sapient Global Markets. With over 12 years of software architecture design, application integration, and development experience in finance, insurance, and retail domains, Manoj is adept in Microsoft technologies like .NET, X.X, SharePoint, and various enterprise integration application patterns and ORM frameworks, and is an expert in designing and developing SOA-oriented, component-oriented web and thick client applications. In his current assignment, Manoj is providing technical leadership and expertise to a globally distributed team for designing and developing a complex equity trading platform using WPF technology. Manish has over 14 years of extensive software industry experience, successfully leading large teams to design and implement complex business critical information technology solutions. Manish is currently leading the Microsoft practice team in Sapient's Global Markets business unit. In his last 11 years at Sapient, Manish has worked for various clients in the automotive, healthcare, finance, and insurance industries. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speakers. Over to you, Manish.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Let's quickly, with the introductions over, let's quickly jump into our session for today. We will talk about what SignalR is and how it is applicable to the capital markets as a domain, the applications that we develop for capital markets. Here's the agenda. We will first look at which messaging patterns we're talking about, what do we mean by push-based messaging patterns, and so on. We'll look at traditional ways of doing those, implementing those patterns. So it's not as if those patterns could not be implemented traditionally, and we have been implementing them. Then we'll look at what the problems were in the traditional ways and how SignalR helps solve them. And finally, we will spend the majority of this session looking at an actual application and some source code and how we develop